Hello folks, welcome to Fishing for Real. Today I'm trying my luck below Percy Priest Dam in Nashville. Come along.
Yes, I have a fish. Alright, let's see what's been nibbling at my worm down there. Oh boy, fighting a little better right there. Yeah, what do we have here? Oh, a little white bass, yellow bass. Interesting. So there's what's been biting at my... Alright fella, alright, here we go. A yellow bass. A little yellow bass. Pretty fella. Looking for something a little bigger, I think, though, huh? Let's get him back. Yellow bass, huh? Felt a bite. There's one bite.
Hey folks, sorry for the bad sound quality. My waterproof GoPro camera case proved to be almost soundproof as well. I'll remedy that for the future. Thank you for continuing to watch. Let's see what else I catch.
There you go. We come to the place where people catch big stripe, hybrid, white bass, yellow bass, trout, and I start off with a bluegill, but it's a fish. Let's get him back. There's a hit. There's a fish. I hit the fish. We caught something. There's another bluegill. Good size, whatever it is. Oh, it's a dadgum trout. Well, I will declare. I wish you'd look at that now. Look at that. Stocked rainbow trout. Down below Percy Priest Dam. Caught it on a Berkley Power Egg and a piece of Nightcrawler. I will say, first stocked trout below Percy Priest Dam. Cool beans. Let's get him off this hook and back in the water. There's one. There's one. That's another trout. Can cast out there and let it float down. That's a dadgum bluegill. Bluegill. Bait stealing bluegill. Okay, fella, just sit still. We'll get you off of here. How are you handling that current, dude? Alright. Bluegill. There's a hit, boy. That was fast. That's a good hit, too. Oh, boy, he was fighting good. Hitting that pole good, dude, yeah. Not shaking his head like a trout. I don't know what it can be. That's dadgum. Oh, yeah.
Yes, that was a nice trout that got away.
Decent sized bluegill. Folks, I want to thank you for joining me at Fishing for Real. You got a little moment of enjoyment out of this, entertainment. hit a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you would, it means a lot. I look forward to seeing you next time at Fishing for Real. Have a good day.